Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to play a very beautiful praise and worship song, Here I Am to Worship, written by Tim Hughes. Very easy song to play. In my description below there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song and print that out and follow along as I teach the lesson to you. So let's get started. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. And then the chorus goes, here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. This song is played in the key of D major. So the chords I'll be using to play this song are D major, A major, E minor, G major. So that'll be all the chords used to play this song. Just a quick review on how to play these chords. D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings but the top E string. That's D major. The next chord is A major. To play A major, place finger number 1 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string, also on the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but the top E string. So again, you can play A this way, or you can reverse your fingers. You can play it this way, or you can bar all 3 strings. That's typically how I play A major. Just kind of using a bar. So that's A major. The next chord is E minor. To play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. You want that very top bass E string to ring out. E minor. Okay, the next chord is G major. You place finger number 1 on string 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger or finger number 4 on the very 1st string, also on the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. That's G major. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play this song. The strumming pattern that I'll be using is just a kind of a simple down up pattern. It's written in 4/4 time. There's 4 beats per measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down up down up down up down up. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down up down up down up down up. You just keep a steady rhythm in your strumming. Okay, so let's look at the first verse of that. Again, it starts off in D major. Okay. I'll just kind of sing through it. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. Hold out on the G. Beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. Okay, on that G, you want to hold that out a couple of measures before you actually go into the chorus, okay? So let's go through that verse one more time. All the verses are the same chord progression on this this song. So starting off with D major, A major, E minor, G, D, A, G, D major, E minor, D major, A major. Okay, you may have noticed a lot of these chords are only getting like two beats, and then you're switching to a different chord. So you're playing like D major 1 and 2 and then A major 3 and 4 and then you're switching like to E minor. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Starting with D major, A major, E minor, G major, D, A, and then hold on to G, back to D, A, E minor, G, D, A, and hold on to G. Let's look at the chorus, and on the chorus, when you're holding that G out on the last chord of the verse, you can keep strumming that and then switch into the chord of D major on the word worship. Or you can just sing, and here I am too, a cappella, and then just come in on the downstroke on the D major on the word worship. Okay, so here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God, you're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Okay, notice there's no E minors in the chorus, so you're just simply playing D major, A, back to D and G. D major, A, D, and back to G again. Okay, you just play that through a couple of times. Okay, so let's play the chorus one more time. And here I am to D, A major, D major, G major, D major, A major, D major, G major. So let's look at the second verse. Start off with the D major. King of all days, oh so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above. Humbly you came to the earth you created, all for love's sake became poor. Back to the chorus again. And here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God, you're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Now let's look at the bridge on that. Okay, you're going to be playing A major, D, G. You're just going to go back and forth pretty fast. It goes, I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. And then you just go back into the chorus one more time. And here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Okay, very easy praise and worship song to play using just minimal chords. Just very worshipful song. Here I Am to Worship, written by Tim Hughes. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I appreciate as many likes as possible on my videos. That way I know I'm teaching you lessons that you enjoy. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to also thank all my current subscribers, your many comments, and your support as well. I appreciate you guys very, very much. So have a great day. God bless you.